I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and a stable connection. Plug the Approach S20 into your computer or pair with Garmin Connect Mobile. This prevents interruptions that can break firmware. Once connected, open Garmin Express or the Garmin Connect app so the device is recognized. Make sure your phone or PC has internet access because the updater downloads files. While you wait, confirm your watch shows charging and the app lists the device. That tells you the link is active and you can proceed to download. You trigger the update now by selecting Install or Update in Garmin Express or the app. The software downloads the firmware package. This can take several minutes depending on size and connection speed, which is why you ensured good internet. Once the download finishes, the installer pushes files to the watch and runs the update routine. During this phase, do not unplug, restart, or use the device. Interruptions can corrupt firmware. After completion, the app will confirm success, and the watch will restart automatically. You finish by letting the Approach S20 reboot and finalize internal index tasks. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's back, check Settings then System then About to confirm the new firmware version. That verifies the update applied correctly. If you have paired services like Garmin Connect, sync once more to ensure settings and courses are intact. If the update failed or the watch is unresponsive, try a different USB cable or port. Then rerun Garmin Express. That often resolves stalled installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.